Today in front of me is XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the wallpaper section. Here you can see that we can select our new wallpaper from the local photo previously taken on our device camera or recently used or just pre-installed, that means the default wallpapers. And also here we can use the online wallpapers. Now I'll show you how to use the default wallpaper, and the second way I'll show you the online wallpapers. So now just click here to pre-installed folder and select one from these photos, for example this one. Now just click here to apply and click set as a lock screen. Wait a second, and as can you see, we just successfully change our lock screen wallpaper. And also we got a second way. You just should hold for a while your device screen, and here on the left down corner click on the wallpaper section, and now we can see here the wallpaper settings, and now we can select one from these wallpapers on the online, but be sure that you are connected to the internet or to another mobile data. And now for example we can go with this wallpaper, click here to apply, set as lock screen. Wait a second, and as what's going on, and go once again, apply, set as lock screen, and here as can you see that we just changed successfully our lock screen wallpaper. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.